Well, good morning. It is going to be another hot one out there across central Texas. A heat advisory remains in effect along and east of I-35 here. Same areas that saw the big heat yesterday have the chance here today, but I don't think our heat will get as high as it did yesterday. I think it'll be close, and I think we'll still get into heat advisory criteria, but as far as field light numbers reaching 110, I think that's out of the cards here today. Live radar network not showing showers and thunderstorms here, but look what's happening in the north. These are thunderstorms that have fired along the Red River. Some of these turned severe early this morning near Wichita Falls. We have a cold front associated with them, and as that front dies down, it will eventually bring us shower and thunderstorm chances here this afternoon, maybe some slightly cooler air. Low 70s out there right now thanks to the rain we saw yesterday. That cooled overnight temperatures a bit where you didn't see the rain. Look at those low 80s and upper 70s towards Hillsborough and towards Corsicana. Winds variable to light right now, about 5 miles per hour, but they will slowly shift to the north, even ahead of the front. But the actual front lingers a little bit or lags on a little bit until we get into the afternoon, and that's when we'll have enough lift for shower and thunderstorm development associated with this. And once again, some of those storms that formed today, they have the potential of bringing some heavy rainfall, some lightning, and some gusty winds. Not everyone will see them. I'll give it about a 50% chance area wide, and activity will likely wait until we get into the afternoon. But notice, front comes through ahead of it. It's still plenty hot, mid to upper 90s with the humidity that'll feel like 105. That's why we have the heat advisory in effect. But once that front reaches you and you see some shower and thunderstorm activity blow up on it, that's when we'll likely see some cooler air try to come out of these thunderstorms. And again, some of these could get a little strong at times, but activity should start to lighten up a bit as we head on into the evening. And then tomorrow, thanks to that front pushing through, I'm only expecting low to mid 90s for tomorrow. It's still going to feel hot with the humidity, and we may still have some shower and thunderstorm activity. And then we start to see those rain chances dissipate here as we head on into the weekend. Still staying hot, though, 90s. It's just not those triple digits that we were seeing. As far as how much rain you could see out of this activity here today, well, it depends on your general location. Again, these are going to be kind of hit or miss, but if you get under one, potential's there for half an inch to maybe an inch. We saw a couple folks in Rosebud yesterday messaging on my Facebook saying they saw 7/10 of an inch of rain. So you can get a pretty good downpour if you get under some of these. Again, this is because our upper high is backed off to the west, allowing that front to swing around the north side of it. We'll see it re-strengthen for the weekend, and then as we head into early next week, looks like that high tries to back off again, could bring in another front by early next week. We'll call for a 40 to 50% chance of rain today, 30% tomorrow. Temperatures back in the upper 90s for the weekend, and small rain chances with that next front next week, which could knock us into the lower 90s. And then the Brazos Valley, more of the same, drier weekend. Rain chances return next week.